How to log rotate with systemd. I'm running a Node app using systemd with a unit file. The app's log can be viewed using journal.uexample.com, but the log gets cut at some point, erasing the history, which I need for debugging. How do I configure log rotation with systemd so that my app logs get stored in example.com.log.1, example.com.log.2, etc. so I can query the history of my app? This is my unit file.
Increasing storage. If you are storing to disk, you can increase the amount of space used by changing system access and/or system keep free. Having more space would allow more entries to be stored. By default, the maximum use limit, system access, is 10% of the file system, and the minimum free space, system keep free, value is 15%, though they are both capped at 4 grams. Journal rotation. The journals should be rotated automatically when they reach the systemax file size value, and the number of journals is controlled by systemax files. If you prefer time-based rotation, you can set a max file sec to set the maximum time entries are stored in a single journal. Note on storage location/type. With journaled, you can choose to store the journal entries either in memory, storage equals volatile, or on disk, storage equals persistent. The above assumes you are storing journals on disk. If this is not the case, system will need to be replaced by runtime in the above variables. Further details are available in manjournal.conference. Alternative, passing on the journal entries. If you are already familiar with the traditional syslog daemon, you can pass the journal events on by setting the forward to syslog option, which forwards the messages immediately, or have the syslog daemon behave like a journal client and fetch the logs itself.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.